Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, it's pirate time. We are back here at the auctions U-Haul today. Going to be an exciting auction. It's locker nuts. We have a stalker, a treasure hunter in the house. There is 4 units here, 5 at the next ones. May the best man win. You know how we say, rule number 1 at the auctions are, there are no friends at the auction. Here, I'm hoping one of these units are up for auction. It'll be interesting to see how you can move a unit with only a foot of room between the door and the wall.
Units here. You buy one of these units, you got through Sunday to clear out the items. Hours will have access 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And Sunday they close at 5 o'clock. Cash on the auction. Once we say so, we take payment at that time. Sales tax here, 9.25%. Deposits be left in office. Once you clear out the unit, you get that back. There's no going in to use touching with it around, no smoking during the auction. During the clean out, you buy a unit, get out your own lock, and you don't have to sign in unless you buy. If you buy, you haven't bought from us before, have an ID so I can sign you in. Any questions?
As we look at each unit, I'll put the little number sign of what unit is and so forth. Don't forget to comment what number it is in your guess so we can see how good you are at guessing and how well you pay attention.
We got some snacks, some yummy snacks just in case. You're hungry, you can go for a bike ride afterwards.
You're a good upseller.
I know. You got some tools to work on your bike.
Alright, we got unit number 0223. We start about $25 bid. Got 25 over here, about 40. Got 40 over here, 50, 60, 70, 80. Got 200, 225, 250. 3 over here, 325. Scare me. Got 300 right here, 325, 325, 350, 375, 425. I got 425, 450. What the? 475, 500. 525, 550. Got 525, 550. 525, 550, 525, 550, and wasn't a 550? Hold your weight, 525.
I forgot to say, guess how much that unit was going to sell for, so comment below if it's not too late on the next ones. Walking to the next unit. We get a lot of exercise here at the auctions. Those pillars are cool.
His hair a little shorter?
Oh, it's the bench break. Takes a good part. Canopy break.
This is very interesting. Some freeze around here.
Got $10 bid right here, number 20. $10 bid over 20, 10 right number 20. What's that 20? Hold your weight, $10.
Sold. Is this part of the other unit?
Yes, sir. This one and the next one are the same.
This one and the next one? Not that one there.
This one and the last one.
This almost looks cool. I look how they took the cushion apart. Manteca, that's not good. I don't take care of that stuff.
Not in a good way either.
Four here, 5 dice. One more after this.
The way they took that cushion apart got me kind of. Broken that.
No.
I think he's just coming out of it, getting into his good mood.
That's why I gotta bring a ladder for you to look over the side.
What, the cage is right there. You can't see the top of the cage. I was going to try to shoot you. I had a ladder, you couldn't see him.
How about $10 bid? How about a $5 bid? $1 bid.
Hey, honey, how are you?
Any interest?
How long do you got?
That's to the end of Sunday.
Okay.
10 by 15. Any interest?
Number 2nd floor house.
No interest? Alright, that'll be a no sale.
There's money in there. Walking back to the elevator, so you gotta walk to the elevator, downstairs, then load. Doesn't look like something is just gonna be screaming. Yeah, there's profit in it, but sometimes you gotta apply the amount of work. They were giving us till Sunday. I even emphasized how much time, and they didn't want to give us extra time, so that's why nobody wanted to buy that.
Oh, the car is mine.
It's in the locker.
Yes, you must return the car.
You watch how fast I buy it. Watch how fast I
Okay, sir, you gotta keep it.
32, 1632. Our last unit here today. Last unit here was about $10 bid. Got 10 over here, about 20. Got 20 over here, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280. Got 300, 325, 350, 375. Got 350 right there, 375. 350 dollars, got 350 right there, 375. We also had 375. Sold your way, 350.
And that's the wrap, ladies and gentlemen. 4 units. It's crazy because that was the second part of the big unit that only went for, actually after we walked away, somebody gave $1 for it. So it actually did sell. 10 by 15 full. That was the second unit, same owner. There was a nice TV. That was like an 80-inch LED television, but there was a scratch right across the front, like a rub mark. There was 2 dents in the top, like somebody dropped it. That's what I didn't like about the first unit. The first unit looked full, but it looked like somebody abused their stuff. That isn't very important when you look at something, if they abused it or they took care of it. I always say this, there's 3 things that are very important when somebody takes care of their units or their life you want to look for. Somebody takes care of their mattress. If their mattresses are dirty, where they lay their head, kind of out of pocket. If somebody's kitchen stuff is dirty, the things they eat with, kind of out of pocket. Thirdly, the things they wear, like their shoes, clothes, if that stuff is not taken care of, it makes you wonder, do they take care of anything else in their life? And we have arrived at the second auction here in U-Haul, Dublin. If you forgot to guess on the first set of auctions, don't forget, let's guess on every unit that we have here. I try to put a little number sign with the number so you could guess the number of the unit and the thing so we know what you're talking about. I like to know. Makes it easier. If we just say numbers, I won't know which one you're pertaining to. Anyway, let's keep going. Let us not forget, this is the last auction of the week. It's Friday. I'm out of stuff to sell and I need to buy something, so hopefully we can get it. Jack, you became a real football fan. Look at that. You know why he did that, ladies and gentlemen? Because the Niners are 3-0 right now. Jack, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Is that your gift from Alex?
Yeah, I won it.
He finally brought it to you?
That's for his, what, 50,000 live? Yeah.
Nice. I like that he did that purposely for you. He chose that for you.
Very nice.
He knew where your heart has been this whole time. Loyal to the Bay Area. I just got a message from somebody on Facebook, one of my subscribers, Wolf, shout out to you. I want to give a special shout out to Alex Goodwin. Very strong young man, very positive, dealing with a lot of trials and tribulations on life. Check him out at Alexander's Journey on Facebook. If y'all out there think life is tough for you, sometimes you got to open your eyes, look around you, and see what other people are going through. So shout out to Alex Goodwin. Don't forget to check his page, Alexander's Journey. Wolf sent me to you. Much love, young man. Sometimes in life, you got to just kind of stop for a second and look around you. There's many people out there that think their life is hard. They think that it sucks, that there's struggles, that they're going through the worst pain in their life. And trust and believe there is always somebody dealing with far greater adversity than you, things out of their control. Not even something that they could just make a simple choice and change, but things that this universe have bestowed upon them that they're incapable of controlling. And that, my friends, there's no words to describe. Please check out this young man's Facebook page and give him a shout out in the comments. Say, man, I love you. I'll pray for you. Whatever you can. I would appreciate that.
Precious moments, those are really expensive, aren't they?
Up talking, Jack. Up talking.
At least in California, they shut it. Or they just leave it open.
Don't you get that feeling a little bit? Like the outside is kind of...
Maybe. It's open.
This one's open, like this shouldn't be like that. What's that purse right there? Can you see that word? See, like there's a letter on the bag. Go up in between that. Can you read that?
No. Yeah. I see what you mean. I can't.
Are there any units here that have same owner but more than one unit? Let's guess. I'm buying this one.
We got unit number B123. B123, it's a 10 by 15. We'll start about $25 bid. Got 25 over here, about 40. I got 40 over here, 50. Got a $40 bid right over 50. Yeah. Got 50 over here, 60, 70, 80, 90. Got 80 over here, 90 over here, 100. 125, 150, 175. 500. How much? 500. Got 5 over here, 525. 550. 800, 825. 850. 12. Got 12, 1225. 1250. Got 1500, 1550. Got 15 right here over 1550. $1,500 bid over 1550. 15 right over 1550. Anyone else that 1550? Sold your way, 1500.
Oh, that guy.
Told you I'd get it. 1500. Bit aggressive.
That is.
It's a nice skateboard. It's just, you know it's not going to go cheap. Time is money.
Unit number B132. B132, starting out $10 bid. I got 10 right here, about 20. I got 100, 120, 130, 150, 175, 200. Got 175 right here, number 2. $175 bid number 2. 175 number 2. Anyone else in that 2? Sold your way, 175.
Oh, you sound like you have a little shirt thing. I went back east this past weekend, so I'll be like, are you on the plane going out there? No, not yet. It was probably that plane.
What I was hoping to see in the it's a toolbox.
There's like 5 mattresses. This is for Jack.
Jack don't even like mattresses. You want to guess how much this one's going to sell for?
Tools.
I'm going to guess 25.
Big bow cutters. No, I'm going to bid, I'm not going to bid, I'm going to bet. I'm going to bet 75.
All right.
7,000, unit number 7,000. We'll start about $25 bid. Got 25 over here, about 40. Got $25 bid right over 40. 30. Got 30 over here, 40. 50. Got 40 over here, over 50. $40 bid right over 50. $40 bid over 50. Anyone else in that 50? Yeah. I got 50 over here, 60. 70. Got 60 right over 70. $60 bid right over 70. $60 bid over 70. Anyone else in that 70? Got 70 over here, 80. Got 70 right over 80. Got 80 over here, 90. No? I got 80 right here for 90. $80 bid right over 90. $80 bid over 90. What's that 90? Sold your way. 80 bucks.
Well, it looks like Storage Stalker's better at guessing than I am.
Then go in. No. Got a nice picture frame. See, these people were smart. They use U-Haul boxes. They're not crumbling.
She's all like, oh, that's big.
We got a container wrapped in plastic wrap.
Need help loading the car?
No, Jack, but let's play a little game because I asked Alex in the last. What do you think this unit's going to go for?
Oh, yeah. This one? 200.
I was going to say my guess is 250, so we'll let this, we'll see. Everybody else, you comment below, see if you're better than Jack and I at guessing.
I got 100 started. Who go 125? I got 125, 150, 175. Got 150 over there for 175. I got 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300. Got 275 right here over 3. 200 3 over here, 325. Got 3. I got 3 over here over 325. $300 bid right over 325. 300 right over 325. Anyone else at 325? Sold your way, 300.
I said 250. You said 200.
You win.
We're both wrong. That's all that matters. Maybe somebody out there will be right. Now, at the end of it, everybody's in. If everybody who goes in pays $5.
I need $10 from everybody admission.
Nice, cute little girly, you know, chest.
How about a $5 bid? $1 bid. Any interest for $1?
Nice benches.
$1 over there at the door. Nobody? All right, that'll be a no sale.
Got a cute little bicycle with the.
What's your guess on the price of this unit?
$250.
This is $2.50.
No.
This is you.
Or $2.50? I'm guessing like 30. I'm
Super
guessing
cheap or
30.
super high. One, two.
D235 is a 5x10. This is going to be our last unit here today. We'll start about $10 bid.
Yeah.
Got 10 right here, about 20, 30,
Yeah.
40, 50,
Yeah.
60, 70.
100.
I got 100, 125, 150,
Yeah.
175, 200. I got 175 over here, number 2. I got $175 bid over 2, 175 over 2. Anyone else in that 2? Sold your way, 175.
And that's the wrap. If you guys guessed right, you're doing good. You're paying attention to all our videos. If you guessed wrong, keep watching. You'll learn some more. But with that being said, let's go see what I spent $1,500 on. The first thing that I seen that I liked is this 1, 2, 3. That's a good number scheme. Why I like this unit, I'm gonna tell you right now. What turned me on? I wanted to see this bag right here. I was extremely intrigued by what that was. It's a shark vacuum bag. But if you look in here, there was a nice Kathy Ireland duffel bag. And I thought that was cool. It goes to think that there is something cool in there. You see a collectibles shelf cabinet there. You see nice looking things, not the greatest things. You see quality things. Lots of boxes. It's 15 feet long. Jack pointed out to me the precious moments. Those are collectible. This was a neat photo thing. This is what you hang a piece of art on. It's like an easel. With that being said, that's all you guys get to see for now. You'll have to wait till I put out a video on this. So there we go. All right, now auctions are over. And like I said at the beginning of this, there are no friends at the auction. But the key is you have friends. Now, here we are, all done. It's friend time. We're going to lunch. Friends are one of the most important things in this world. Hope you all understand that. But there's an essential thing in life, and that is mixing business with pleasure. So you must be careful and learn how to be mature and handle things in appropriate fashions when the time comes. With that being said, we're at one of all of our favorite places, Fuddruckers. One of the underbidders wanted something. Out of the end, I gave it to him. He forced me to take this $20 bill when I didn't want it, but nonetheless, he's buying my lunch today. Thank you, sir. Y'all know mustard is one of my favorite foods. If y'all have never been to Fuddruckers and had their mustard, there's bar none, no better mustard. Just saying. Brandon, are you ready for our battle rap yet?
Let's go right now.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Do it.
You don't want to get cooked like a well-done Fuddruckers burger. Ooh.
Yes, I do actually, because they're very tasty.
Bar.